Hello everyone. Today we'll make another interesting video in Scratch. We'll make a jungle scene with animal sounds. So for that we need 4-5 animals as the sprite. This cat sprite we already have. From animals we can choose one dog. Then third sprite I am taking as monkey we can take. The fourth one, bear, and the last one, we can take a horse. Choose a backdrop and then we'll arrange all the sprites. From outdoors we can take forest backdrop. Now arrange the sprites. We can put horse here, bear, monkey can go on the tree, dog somewhere in the middle, and cat this side. This way we can arrange all our sprites on this way. Now we need to import their sounds. So we'll go to the sound heading, sound tab. See here in sprite of cat, meow sound is already there. For dog, this bark sound is already there. Then monkey chi-chi sound, and two sounds are there, and this one. These are two sounds of monkey. Then for bear, only pop sound is coming. Even snore, bear another sound, the snore sound also we can choose. Animals and bear, growl, this one we can take. This one. Then for horse, this sound is also there. Whatever sound is there, either you can use that or any other. If you want to include that also you can take. So now we'll write the code. First of all we'll write the code for cat sprite. Go to event block. When this sprite clicked, we'll start from when this sprite clicked, and then from sound block only one command we are putting right now, play sound meow until done. Now as soon as we click on the cat will play meow sound. Again we click, again it will give you the sound. Same way, the same script you need to copy to all the 5 sprites. You can copy to dog, bear, and horse. Every sprite you will copy the same script. Simply drag and put the blocks on the sprite that will be copied here. See, cat it has come, dog also it has come, monkey, bear, and horse is I think left. Horse also it has come. Now we have to correct their sounds. See, for dog the sound has to be dog 1. For monkey the sound should be chi-chi. Bear, we can take bear sound. Then for horse we can take horse sound. Now click on the full screen mode and click on any sprite. That particular sprite will give you the sound of that particular animal. Like this you can add any animal of your choice and put the sound of that animal, and when you click that particular animal the sound will come. So try this program and enjoy.